it is here, that inevitable time of year when we can't ignore facts any longer. It's time to go back to work or school or your at-home desk or whatever it is you do with your everyday, now that summer is over. Don't be sad, this is one of the most gorgeous time of the year with all the Gilmore Girlesque red trees and loosely wrapped scarves. So no matter what it is that you're going back to this autumn, here are 5 outfit ideas that will make you actually look forward to the office or school corridor. Here we go. Let's call this first look the PR lady, by which I mean outfits suitable for working in an office where you're not expected to stand out or make a sartorial splash, but where you need to look professional, put together, and a little bit modern. What I'm thinking is simple, clean, but nicely silhouetted basics. The medium wash straight cut jeans, the white and black and grey t-shirts, the oversized blazers, the white boyfriend shirt, the simple black trousers, and the complete color range of turtlenecks, from white to beige to black. The best thing about this look is that basics are so neutral and kind of invisible, so that you don't need a huge wardrobe. You can just wear the same few items again and again and again, because with these invisible type of items, no one will notice you wearing the same outfits over and over. It's all about carefully collecting a wardrobe of essentials. How to compose this look? Trousers or jeans, t-shirt, shirt or turtleneck, blazer, a large fits-all type of bag, and simple ballerinas or low-heel pumps. Clean face, sleek hair, maybe lipstick if you're feeling perky. To not get bored to death, opt for one statement accessory, like a huge menswear watch, a chunky gold chain, or a pair of blaffy vintage earrings. Oh, it's a good time to be a student. The schoolgirl, schoolboy look is hot on trend, especially if we move towards dark academia or a slightly edgier take. I would say the #1 trademark of a good schoolgirl look is naked legs. Short pleated skirts, sweatshirts or blazers worn as dresses, big chunky boots, or maybe even knee-high socks if you're in that kind of mood. How to make it edgy instead of classic cute is to go oversized. Nothing fits a slim leg silhouette better than huge shoulders and a boxy upper body and a gigantic bag for all the books and pencils and things. In general, since this is all about naked legs, socks do play a large role, which is great considering that socks might just very well be the most inexpensive styling item that you can buy. Chunky, fluffy, frilly, girly, white prissy, black see-through or logomania designer ones, socks can make or break an outfit for sure. My tip, start with white. Crisp white socks will always energize a look, especially inside big heavy black boots. To personalize this look, headwear is always a good idea. Berets, headbands, bows, braids, it's all good. Just make sure your beret is vegan though, since most of them are made of wool, tragically. I want to say a big thank you to Vivaya for sponsoring this video. As you know, I have worked with Vivaya for quite a while and I have a whole collection of shoes from them by now that I use basically on a daily basis. They're all so pretty and comfortable, I can walk around in these all day without any pain. And another great feature is that each pair are made from 6 plastic bottles. How cool is that? And they use a 3D printing technique to spin an eco yarn that is used when creating the shoes. Most of the styles are machine washable and the rest are all hand washable. Plus, they're easy to fold and pack for that next trip you got planned. This time I have received 3 new pairs of shoes from them to try, and it's the Aria 5 pointed toe ballet flats in a cream ivory color, the Jaffa pointed toe knot mules in mustard yellow, of course, and the Iris pointed toe slingback sandals in the deep ebony color. You can tell I like a pointed toe, right? These shoes are all easy to style and the Iris sandals are probably going to be my late summer go-to shoe. I can just pop my feet in and pull the string around the heel and I'm ready to go. The Jaffa mules are going to look great when going to some events in London this autumn, and as you can probably guess, I so got a thing for the color mustard. I also love the bow in the front. It's sort of minimalist and sleek for a bow and it blends in so well with the shoe. Now the Aria 5 you have seen before in other colors and style. I just love this shoe. It's so comfortable with this rubber sole and the fabric is actually made of hemp. So they breathe and will make my feet feel fresh even after a day about town. Did you know hemp is actually a carbon negative material? And who doesn't want their shoes to be sustainable? There's a new version of the Aria 5 shoe which is also water repellent, so it will keep you clean and dry for longer. Now, go get yourself a new pair of vegan shoes for this autumn and use code Jenny15 for 15% off on all Vivaya items. They provide worldwide shipping and have free returns and exchange as well. Now, 15%, that's a great deal. I will leave links to all the styles I've tried on in this video in the description, so go take a look. Big thank you to Vivaya, and let's get back to the video. Are you actually not going back to work or school at all? Do you have yet another season in front of you of working from the living room or the makeshift desk, or, dare I say it, from bed? One of my friends actually put up this ironing board in his bedroom to work from. Desperate times, eh? The good thing about working from home is that we don't need to impress anyone. Our from home uniform needs to do only two things: be comfortable and make us feel like working. And this is where, if you ask me, the pajamas has to go. I don't ever feel like I'm working efficiently or to the best of my abilities if I look like a slug. So what we're looking for is clothes that look office appropriate, but with the comfort factor of pajamas. Elasticized waistband trousers, leggings, linen shirts, and chunky knits. Cherry on top of this look is, I feel, the glasses. Nothing looks more student romantic than a pair of simple glasses to make you feel like you're working hard. You can't be a slug in glasses, am I right? What about if your work keeps you on your feet, running around all day? If you have the shop assistant type of job, it's all about your feet. How to construct an outfit is by asking yourself, how can I get away with wearing sneakers? What type of items do I need to invest in which looks great with shoes that protect my poor feet from the force of gravity? The edgier the sneaker, the better the outfits will be. Short skirts or dresses look great, as do leggings and slim trousers. Anything that accentuates the size of the mega sneaker to make it an outfit feature rather than something that you have to wear to protect your foot pads, you know? If you don't feel like showing off your legs, the best trouser to wear with sneakers, if you ask me, is trousers with a high hem, so that the trouser leg is short enough to not cover your ankle and the sneaker. Either that or supersized trousers that fall all the way to the floor. If you want to go all oversized everything, this is so gorgeous. What if your job consists of late night representation? The events coordinator or anyone doing business over dinners or cocktails need to have a few looks they can comfortably throw on after a long day and still look like £1,000,000. My best bet, go for anything in a solid color that doesn't pinch anywhere. I'm talking about dresses or shirt and trouser combos that look elegant even though they're basically just hanging straight off from your shoulders. And again, the more neutral the dress, the more wear you can get out of it. If you do a lot of these evening type of work stuff, the last thing you want is to have to buy a new sparkly thing all the time. Such a waste. Instead, going for simple and neutral and then switching it up by changing accessories, makeup, hair, or wearing it in a new way, like trousers underneath the dress or with a bra on top of the shirt, that kind of thing. Again, it's all about essentials. The better base we have for our wardrobe, the easier it will be to style the same few items again and again. So fewer but better, that's how I want my wardrobe investments to be. What type of work or school are you going back to? Do you have a dress code or can you go to work dressed exactly how you want to? Let's talk in the comments. And do give me a like if you enjoyed this one, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks for hanging out today, guys. You're the best like always. See you soon. Puss puss and hej då!